love Black Salt. I've seen the behind-the-scenes video probably like 15 times, and it's great every single time I see it. I love the action. Of course, action movies are my passion, so I love everything that has to do with action. So it was great. Love the message, everything.
Oh, Black Salt, that looked really, really good. I definitely like, the approach they're taking, definitely, giving the whole, giving another ethnic group, a chance, to play a superhero like they were talking about in the movie and everything. It's good to see that, for them to bring that out, too, definitely.
Okay, awesome.
All right.
Want to say something?
Black Salt, I was really, really pleased with the film. Looking forward to it. I thought that the choreography on the fight scenes were incredible. The costumes, the whole idea to do the comic book series. I think it's going to be a hit.
Yeah, pretty good. I'm a kind of superhero fan, And,
It was kung fu fighting.
I want to fight the girl. Yeah.
Let me tell you, I wanted to jump in screen, you know what I mean? Put a mask and become like a Puerto Rican ninja. You know what I mean? I've never seen anything like it. I'm looking forward to seeing the whole series. You know what I mean? I could see myself, watching that stuff, either when it comes out in CD or DVD, doing the moves in the house while I'm watching the movie. So it's marvelous. Kung Fu fighting!
All right, I appreciate it.
Black Salt, I'll tell you, that movie we've been waiting for a while. And this is my first time seeing the trailer. A lot of artists, a lot of acrobatic, a lot of martial arts. I'm telling you, I think we got another Blood and Bone. I think we got another Jet Li might be in there, just the black version. So again, but without all seriousness, it's a great movie. I really am looking forward to seeing it, and hopefully I can do the trailer to it. So thank you guys.